Okay, so simplify this here. Of course, you can use your calculator here, right? So if I use my calculator, you can see, square root of 72. Okay, if I press equals, it will do it for me. It'll give me the answer of 6 root 2, right? And that's what you're going to do in the exam. But just to understand the skills behind it, just appreciate if we have a pair of numbers that multiply to give 72. All right, there's lots of pairs that multiply to give 72. But if we can find a pair involving a square number, even better. And straight away 2, doesn't it? 2 goes into 72 36 times. And of course 36 is a square number. Okay, so if I split them up, which you're allowed to do, it works with surds. We can work out square root of 36 to be 6, of course. Okay, and that's going to be then 6 times root 2, which is 6 root 2, as I got in the calculator. Similar here, two numbers that multiply to give 98. Well, again, 49 times 2, okay, which of course then will be root 49 times root 2, which is 7 root 2. So that works nicely. 108. This time, if I did 2 times 54 gives me 108. So that doesn't quite give me what I want, because 54 isn't a square number. But 3 goes into 108 36 times. Okay, so again, I've got 36 times 3 to give me 108. So root 36 times root 3, or root 36 then will be 6, and then root 3. 288. Again, go back to the idea of 2. Well, times 2 to give 288. Well, 144 times 2, yeah? Okay. And that would be root 144 times root 2, which is 12 root 2. Okay. Don't worry too much about these, because you're going to use a calculator, right, to do this. So you're not really going to have a question on this in the exam, but it's good to understand the skills. Part E, this is what we need, of course, to understand. When you times a root by itself, then the answer is simply the number in here. Okay, right? It always is, because if you think about it, root 5 times root 5 is the same as root 5 times 5. Okay, put them in the same root, which is root 25, yeah, because 5 times 5 is 25, and the root of 25 is 5. Okay, so that's useful, because if I've got something ridiculous like this, root 63 times root 63, okay, I don't have to work it out. I don't have to do anything there. I just can say straight away 63. Okay, and again, you can check in your calculator. Here, right, well, root 2 and root 3, they're different, but we can times them, can't we? Root 2 times root 3 is root 6, yeah? But we need to appreciate there's a 7 being times as well in front. So the answer is 7 root 6. Next one, got root 11 and root 2 times together. So, I can times them, can't I? Okay, put them under the same root. Root 11 times root 2 is going to be root 22. Okay, right, that's what it is, because 11 times 2 is 22. And in terms of what goes in front, well, the big numbers are 3 and 8. Times together, 3 times 8 is 24. So you should get that. Now, with this last one here, I want you to appreciate that you've got root 7 and root 7. So root 7 times root 7, of course, is just 7, isn't it? Yeah? Okay, because it's root 49, isn't it, which is 7. But you can just write that down straight away. In front, you've got 5 times 2, which is 10. And of course, we're timesing these, so you get your answer to be 70.